Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the easiest ways to save money today. Let's see just how much I can cut back. Saving money can seem like a daunting task, but what if I told you it's easier than you think? In today's economy, it's more important than ever to have a safety net, and I'm here to show you just how simple it can be. We've all been there. Unexpected expenses pop up, and suddenly our budget is thrown off track. It's like one minute you're cruising along, and the next your car's broken down, or you need to cover a medical bill. These surprise costs can be overwhelming. And let's not forget about the everyday struggles, like trying to make ends meet with a tight budget. It's a constant juggling act, trying to prioritize needs over wants. But here's the thing, those unexpected expenses can be a major setback. They can wipe out our savings and leave us feeling financially drained. And if we're not careful, we can get caught up in a cycle of debt that's hard to escape. That's why it's so important to have a plan in place, to be prepared for those unexpected costs. And then there's the issue of budget constraints. Living on a tight budget can be stressful, and it can feel like there's no room for error. But with a few simple strategies, you can start to breathe a little easier. You can start to save money without feeling like you're sacrificing too much. The good news is, there are tons of practical ways to save money easily. You can use apps that round up your purchases or give you cash back on certain items. Budgeting techniques like the 50-30-20 rule can also help you prioritize your spending. And let's not forget about smart shopping habits. Things like couponing, buying in bulk, and shopping during sales. One of my favorite money-saving hacks is using cashback apps for my daily purchases. Not only do I earn money back, but I also get to see where my money's going. Another game changer is setting up automatic transfers to my savings account. It makes saving feel less like a chore and more like a no-brainer. But what really takes it to the next level is using a budgeting tool that helps you track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. It's amazing how much of a difference it can make. You can see where you're overspending and make adjustments on the fly. The key is to find what works for you and stick to it. With a little bit of effort, you can start to see real savings add up. And it's not just about cutting back. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. In conclusion, saving money doesn't have to be complicated. By implementing these simple strategies, you can start to see a significant impact on your finances. So what are you waiting for? If you've got a favorite money-saving tip, I'd love to hear it. Drop it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more budgeting tips, be sure to check out my next video on creating a budget that actually works.